Inventor imagines something new. The inventor builds the invention. It can make doing things faster and easier. Inventions are great. Here is Thomas Edison. He is one of the world's greatest inventors. He thinks over 1,000 things. His inventions make him rich and famous. Here is Thomas as a boy. He does not go to school. His mother teaches him at home. Thomas reads many books. He learns math. He asks many questions. He dreams. Thomas sells newspaper in a train station. He visits the library after the train leaves. He keeps a lamp in an old train car. He tests ideas from books. Thomas makes light. He tests the bulbs in his workshop. He tries many kinds of bulbs every day. Bulbs must stay lit a long time. He makes a long-lasting light bulb. The light bulb is new. Candles still light many homes. An open fire is not safe. The bulb uses power. Power station begin pump up in the first power station opens in New York. Like and subscribe for more videos I'm gonna make for you for stories.